Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a haul from Home Depot. It is a Dewalt Flexvolt item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up the new Dewalt Flexvolt 17-inch attachment capable trimmer. With the trimmer bundle with the 9 amp hour battery. I posted this on Instagram way before it was released. I posted a photo of this and all the attachments on Instagram probably almost 2 years ago now. And I also did a video on this showing you guys, there was a couple places where you can pre-order it, but from, I believe it was Ohio Power Tool and Tool Nut. It was Tool Nut, that's what it was. It was Tool Nut. I believe Ohio Power Tool and Acme Tools just barely got it. Seems to be sold out online pretty much everywhere, including Acme Tools. I will leave a link to Acme Tools and Ohio Power Tools for this item down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. You can get this at pretty much every local Home Depot. They only sell it in the trimmer kit. But the attachments, kind of nice. The attachments are not overly expensive like the Milwaukee attachments. And I do have the Milwaukee Quick Lock with all the attachments for that. But I will put a link, or not a link, but I got this guy. It was $2.99 and I got $40 off. Turn this light on real quick. Got $40 off with my Pro Extra Perks. I had a $25 and a $15, which brought it down to, with tax, I got it for $282. So it brought this trimmer down, combo kit, down to $249. $249, and with tax, which was $23, it brought it back up to $282.32. I will put this and a couple photos right here. Alright, so we're back. So, should be able to have seen the photo, the receipt, copy of the receipt, as well as the photos that I took way back then. I will be posting those for you guys. I do appreciate it. You guys stopping by. So we're going to get this opened up real quick. We're going to take a look at it. So we're going to take the bag off of it. I grabbed this one in particular because they had a bag on it, which, it's nothing special. I just kind of like that it was wrapped in a bag. It also looked a lot better than most. Some of them are, the boxes are pretty damaged. Alright, we're going to pull this up here. Alright, so let me stand the box up so I can get you guys the information on the back real quick. Alright, universal attachment capable, allows switching heads for versatility and flexibility of applications. Heads sold separately. 15-inch, 17-inch adjustable swath with 0.0 0.08 dual line. Also works with Dewalt 0.095 line. And we'll see if it will work with 0.105 line, because I do have some of that line. I do know the Milwaukee Quick Lock does work with 0.080 line as well as 0.095 line. And I do know the Milwaukee does work with the 0.105 line. So we'll see if this does work with that size line as well. It says cut swath, 15 to 17 adjustable. RPM range, 0 to 4,650 in low. And 0 to 5,800 in high. Line diameter, 0.080, also works with DeWalt 0.095, which is 2.413 millimeter line. Line feed system is dual line bump feed with quick load spool, which is kind of nice. Attachment capable type, attachment universal. Tool weight, tool only, is 9.59 pounds. This kit includes the DCS T972 string trimmer, Flexvolt DCB 609 battery, which is the 3 amp hour in 60 volt max mode, and it is a 9 amp hour in the 20 volt mode. Charger, auxiliary handle and guard. Comes with some pre-wound 0.080 line, and that's everything it comes with. Tool warranty is 3 years, 1 year free service, money back guarantee is 90 days, battery warranty is 3 years, limited warranty, and 3 year free service. So that is the information. We're gonna lay this box back down. We're gonna open it up. Oh, there's some tape at the end. This end right here. Some at this end as well. This is what it looks like in the box. I do like the gray. Okay, we'll put that right there. Accessory bag out. Charger. Battery. And this is one of the newer one of the newer 9 amp hours as well. Just to give you guys just real quick, it is DC ST972X1. This is the actual item number for this. So it's Dog Charlie Sam Tony 972 X-Ray 1. Gonna just put the box there. So got it out the box. This is what it looks like. It is a nice unit. I do like this. I do also like that it's got a mechanical low and high switch, unlike the Milwaukee, which is digital. It does have a piece of PVC right here in the housing, and it does look like it also has a cap to protect the end from weather and everything else, which I will be leaving this cap on when it's not in use. Oops. Okay. So we have the charger is a DCB 115 12 volt 20 volt max charger. This is 1.5 amps. It's a pretty slow charger. It is nice that they provide you a charger. The battery is the newer style, 9 amp hour. It's 9 amp hour in 20 volt max, and it's a 3 amp hour in 60 volt. 20 volt, 60 volt max, 18 volt to 54 volt nominal, 9 amp hour in 20 volt mode, 3 amp hour in 60 volt mode. It's a 180 watt hour battery, and I'll show you guys what the older batteries look like. So this is one of the older 9s. Old 9, new 9, and I always put these back on when I'm not using the batteries, just to protect the batteries. I like it, especially if I throw them in a bag or something and I'm taking the batteries in a tool somewhere else. The older 9s, the 9 amp hour is really small in the sticker. 20 volt max, 60 volt max is large on the sides. On the newer 9s, the 9 amp hour is larger, and the 20 volt max and 60 volt max is down at the bottom. So that is the differences between those. It's the same battery. Just figured I'd show you guys that. And then we have the little goodie bag, which is the handle, your instruction booklets, instruction manual, DCST972, and then your instruction manual for the string trimmer attachment. Those two guys right there. And then we have the brush guard. And a little accessory pack. So a couple bolts and a Allen key. Right here. And 2 lock washers. Alright. So all the bolts are on the handle already set for you. And I do like this handle. It's very, very rubbery, textured, probably plastic handle. The whole thing's plastic, I'm sure. But it looks like they put some nice rubber over molding on the outside of that. Grab the main unit, put the guard on it. Gonna turn the camera over here. Looks like the nuts are a part of the housing, so you don't got to worry about that. Yep, the nuts are actually in the housing. Right there. Right there. So, that's nice. Gonna tighten this down real quick, and these are just little small Allen heads. They don't gotta be like extremely hugely tight. Don't need to He-Man it. Just snug them up. It is just going through plastic. Okay, that's good. So now this is set up. So we're gonna put this down on the floor right here. And I usually just let it sit on its guard like that. Move the battery. Let's see what the battery came with. Okay, battery came with 1 bar. So we'll put the battery on the charger. We'll be also picking up the newer Flexvolt grinder that's out. I just haven't got my hands on it yet. Been kind of busy, but I will be picking that up as well. That one I'm going to be picking up in a 2 battery kit, so I end up with 4 9 amp hours. I'll have 3 of the newer 9 amp hours, and I'll have 1 of the older. That way I can use it on my Flexvolt 120 volt miter saw. I'm going to put this handle on it real quick. And it's dark outside, so I can't give you guys a demonstration video, but I will be doing a demonstration and a usage video on this tool. This is just going to be the quick look and assembly video, just so you guys how to assemble it, just in case you guys buy it and you don't know how, or you're not sure. Okay, all of these have little flat washers on them. Pull it down. And it looks like the nuts are embedded in this housing, so you can't lose it. I will be putting my handle further down at the bottom because I'm a taller guy. Put my handle right there. I'll change it later if I want to move it. I don't like where it's sitting, I'll just change it later. It would have been awesome if they would have provided this as a quick change handle where you can quickly adjust it, but it is a really nice handle though, so I can't really complain too much about it. Every Dewalt tool I've bought, I've liked, except for the 996 hammer drill. I had several problems with that one. But I ended up getting the new Power Detect hammer drill, and probably get the Flexvolt Advantage hammer drill down the road, just to have that one, because I use Flexvolt batteries a lot, so that would be nice to have. So I can just throw the Flexvolt one in the bag if I need to. does take a little bit of time to install a couple of these items. But it's not too bad. Hope you guys are having a pretty good day. Today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2020, by the way. Trying to get this snugged up so it's tight. There. Okay. Panel's nice and tight. What I do like, and I want to show you guys up close. Move the charger out the way. What I like about this unit, and I kind of wish the Milwaukee had it, this has a bunch of holes on it. So you have your wing nut to tighten and loosen the shaft, but you have 3 holes. One on the left side, one on the top, one on the left side, one on the right side. And what you can do is you can actually put the attachments in different orientations. So, and this is a square shaft. But I'll try to show you guys. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Alright, so I'm gonna bring you guys on the floor real quick. So what you can do is you can actually attach it on the attachment. There's a little spring clip, like a normal spring clip, and on this attachment, in order for it to be completely flat, like normal string trimmer, completely flat facing down, it will be on the right side hole. But you can flip it and attach it, as an example, this way. So you can actually attach it where it's sideways and this is upright, like normal. So that is really nice. I like that feature. Let me bring the light down here so you guys can see it a little better. I think that is an awesome feature. You can physically attach it on the top, and now this is angled where you can use it as a edger with the string trimmer if you wanted to. Or you could push the pin in, pull it out, slide it in that way, and now it's completely upside down. So I like that they set it up that way, where you have 3 options, and I'm sure it's for different attachments. You're not going to use the string trimmer attachment like that, technically. You're not going to use it completely upside down, because this is upright. But it is very neat. It is a very awesome idea. This is my older 9 amp hour. I do have some 6 amp hours as well, or 2 amp hours, but pretty simple. Just push this down, pull the trigger, Just pop the tape off. That's all that was. That was on the spool. But I think it's a pretty awesome idea on the way they set that up. It's definitely unique. It's not like Milwaukee's version. Push it in. Gonna quickly rotate it. So now it's sideways. Or you can push the button again, rotate it. Now it's down. So I think it's an awesome way to set it up. That's low, and this is high. It does already have 0.80 line in it. So I'm going to stand this guy up. Bring you guys back up here. And I have a bunch of these DCB 115s. What I have up on the wall right now are a bunch of my DCB 118 fast chargers. I'll be picking up the super fast charger, 12 amp charger soon, which you can get that for $100 at Lowe's right now, which is nice. I like getting Dewalt stuff at Home Depot, but it is very nice that you can get some Dewalt stuff at Lowe's. I noticed Lowe's has a lot of the accessories and chargers and stuff like that, which is pretty nice. Move the box out the way. Put the box up here. Here, stand the box up right there for you guys. So that's gonna probably do it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys. Came with a 9 amp hour battery. I do like the adjustment switch. I really do like that. I like how nicely made the shafts are, and the tool itself. It's very, very nice. I will have to do a separate video on the spool head, because it does similar to Milwaukee, where you just turn this guy, yeah, and it pulls the line in. Pop this up. There you go. And it does have a spooler in here. It does look like it's a possibility that you can put bigger lines in here. You can see that it's oval, and this line doesn't really take up much of that space. But just wanted to show you guys, it is a very nice unit. The springs in the cap. And it looks like there's some screws here so you can service the gearbox. I'll put this little cap back on it. But that's gonna do this video. You guys go check it out. It is nice. It's a brushless motor, 60 volt. Turn that away. It's very, very nice battery operated string trimmer. I will be getting the rotating edger hedge trimmer. I will be getting the edger attachment, the chain, the pole saw attachment, the blower attachment, as well as the brush cutter attachment, and there is a couple other attachments. The Dewalt, have you guys seen at the beginning of the video when I showed the photos? There's quite a bit of attachments, and these heads, the pole saw is 79 bucks, where the Milwaukee's pole saw is 150. So it's pretty nice that they came out with something to compete with Milwaukee. I like my quick lock Milwaukee. Have never had any issues with it. I re-grease it every once in a while. After every probably 100 times I use it, I re-grease it. But this is a nice unit, especially if you're in the Flexvolt family already. Wanted to show you guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. I do have the battery on the charger that it came with right there. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will leave Ohio Power Tools and Acme Tools links below for this tool. If you guys want to go check it out at Home Depot, they do have this hanging up where you can pick it up, touch it, play with it in the lawn equipment section. So if you guys want to go check it out, and they do have them in store, but they only have the trimmer bundle in store. You can get this bare tool as well, where it just comes with the trimmer, or you can get it with, you know, the edger, just bare bone edger and power head, no battery. Do appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out the video. I also have an Ulsa Tools link below if you want to check that out. It'll get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So when you guys use it, does save me money to bring some Ulsa Tools to the channel if you guys use it. I do appreciate it. If you don't need it, don't worry about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And hit the bell notification icon, smoosh it if you guys want to see more tool videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next video. Be safe. Stay dirty. Peace!